Azizlar, bugun 15-yutda boshlaymiz. The Misunderstanding of Tomato degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Birinchisi, essential juda ham muhim degani, to'g'ri javob etdi B bo'ladi, necessary. Controversy bu bahs munozara, to'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. Surrounding atrofidagi to'g'ri javob endi bu yerda E bo'ladi. Legally bu qonuniy degani, to'g'ri javob C. Keyingisi mentions bu ta'kidlaydi, ya'ni gapirib o'tadi, to'g'ri javob D bo'ladi va oxirisi concurrent A varianti to'g'ri keladi. Ya'ni bayram qilmoq, taslim qilmoq, shunga o'xshash. Matnni boshlaymiz. Do you enjoy eating salsa and chips? Siz salsa va chips yeyishdan rohatlanasizmi? Or maybe you like having ketchup on your fries. Yoki frilaringizga deyapti, ketchup quyib yersiz. Then you must like the essential ingredient in these sauces, tomatoes. Unda siz mana shu souslardagi eng muhim ingrediyentni bilishingiz kerak, ya'ni pomidorlarni. The tomato originally comes from South America and has been eaten by people there for thousands of years. Pomidor aslida Janubiy Amerikadan kelgan va ming yillar davomida odamlar tomonidan yeb kelinadi. Today, tomatoes are popular the world over. Bugungi kunda pomidorlar dunyo bo'lib juda ham mashhur. However, when they were first introduced, there was quite a bit of controversy and worry surrounding them. Biroq o'sha qachon pomidor birinchi marta tanishtirilganda bir necha bahs munozaraga sabab bo'lgan, o'zini atrofida qayg'urishga ham sabab bo'lgan. Ancient Aztec writers mention recipes for dishes of tomatoes, peppers and salt, probably the first salsa recipe. Qadimgi Azteklar, ya'ni Aztek qabilasi deyapti. O'sha ovqatlarni pomidor, qalampir va tuzdan qilingan ovqat, ya'ni birinchi salsani retseptini ta'kidlab o'tgan ekan qo'lyozmalarida o'zlarini. Spanish soldiers conquered the Aztecs and brought tomato seeds back with them to Europe. Ispaniyalik askarlar Azteklarni mahv etgandan keyin pomidor urug'larini o'zlari bilan Yevropaga olib kelishgan. In Europe, these yellowish tomatoes were first called apples of gold. Yevropada qarang, yellowish, ya'ni birorta rangni oxiriga ish qo'shimchasini qo'shishlarning g'ish deb tarjima qilaverasizlar, ya'ni sarg'ish, mana sarg'ish. Yevropada bu sarg'ish pomidorlar birinchi marta oltin olmalar deb nomlangan. For a long time, people in North Europe and North America didn't eat these apples of gold. Uzoq vaqt davomida Shimoliy Yevropa va Shimoliy Amerikadagi odamlar bu olmalarni yeyishmagan. People were afraid to eat tomatoes because the plant looked similar to the nightshade plant and deadly poison. Odamlar pomidorlarni yeyishmagan chunki bu o'simlik it uzumga o'xshab ketgan, ya'ni o'sha zaharli o'simlikka o'xshab ketgan ekan. German people have even thought that if someone ate some tomatoes, he or she would change into a werewolf. Nemislar o'ylashgan ekanki, hatto kimdir mana shu pomidorni yesa, bo'ri odamga aylanib qoladi deb. However, by the mid 1800s, people all over the world had accepted the tomato as a good food to eat. Biroq 1800-yil o'rtalariga kelib, butun dunyoda odamlar pomidorni yesa bo'ladigan narsa yoki ovqat sifatida qabul qila boshlashdi. Nevertheless, the tomato was due for more controversy. Shunga qaramasdan pomidor yana o'sha bahs munozaraga sabab bo'ldi. Do you think tomatoes are fruit or vegetables? Siz pomidorlarni meva yoki sabzavot deb o'ylaysizmi? Actually, tomatoes are fruit. Aslida pomidorlar meva. However, in America, tomatoes are vegetables by the law. Biroq Amerikada deyapti, pomidorlar qonunan sabzavot hisoblanadi. Why are tomatoes legally a vegetable in America? Nimaga Amerikada qonuniy sabzavot pomidorlar? In the 1800s, there was no import tax on fruit from other countries, but there was an import tax on vegetables. O'sha 1800-yillarda deyapti, meva uchun, ya'ni boshqa davlatdan kelgan meva uchun soliq bo'lmagan. Lekin sabzavotlarga bo'lgan o'sha paytda. At the time, many tomatoes were coming from other countries into America. O'sha paytda ko'plab pomidorlar boshqa davlatga kelayotgandi, boshqa davlatdan Amerikaga kelayotgandi. And American tomato farmers became worried about making a living. Va amerikalik fermerlar yashash haqida qayg'ura boshlashdi. The government made tomatoes vegetable by law so that non-American tomatoes would be taxed. Hukumat qonun jihatdan pomidorlarni meva deb atadi. Shuning uchun Amerikaga oid bo'lmagan pomidorlarga soliq solindi. It's easy to tell that tomato is really a fruit. Pomidorni rostdan ham meva deb aytish oson. In fact, tomatoes are similar to berries. Aslida pomidor o'sha berry bu nima? Qora, malina, qulpina shunga o'xshash mevalar bilan bir xil ekan. Both have seeds inside and both grow from the flowers of a plant. Ikkalasini ham ichida urug'i bor, ikkalasi ham o'simlik guldan o'sib chiqadi. Both also have delicious flesh surrounding the seeds. Ikkalasini ham urug'larning atrofini o'rab turgan yeydigan qismi bor ichida. Ya'ni go'shi borda ichidagi qismi. Tomatoes and strawberries are actually in the same family. Pomidor va qulpinolar aslida bitta oilaga kiradi. Tomato ice cream anyone. Hop, kimdir pomidorli marjin xohlaydimi? Testga o'tiramiz. Testsiz aytib beraman. Birinchisining javobi D bo'ladi. What is focus of this reading? Ya'ni pomidorning atrofidagi muhokamalar bo'lyapti. Keyingisini ham javobi D bo'ladi. What is not reason why people didn't eat tomatoes at first? Chunki kecha bo'lgan jumlalar hammasi matnda ta'kidlab o'tildi, lekin D aytilmadi. They said tomatoes cost too much to grow. Ya'ni o'stirishga ko'p pul kerak degan ma'lumot yo'qda. What does the US government say tomatoes are? O'sha Amerikaning hukumati pomidorlar haqida qanaqa ma'lumot beradi? To'g'ri javob bitta B bo'ladi. Yangi turdagi sabzavot. How are tomatoes like strawberries? Ular qanday o'xshab ketadi? To'g'ri javob bitta B bo'ladi. Ichki qismi deyarli bir xil. What is the most likely reason why people first call tomatoes apples of gold? To'g'ri javob bitta C bo'ladi. Ya'ni rangi sariq yoki sariq bo'lgani uchun. Idiomaga o'tamiz. Birinchisi make a living bo'ladi. Before I lost my job, I used to make a living as a photographer. Ya'ni men kasbimni yo'qotishimdan oldin rasmchi bo'lib ishlaganman, hayot kechirganman shunaqangi. Keyingisi are due for. We are due for federal election soon. Biz yaqinda o'sha saylov sodir bo'lishi mumkin, saylov qilamiz deyapti. Va oxirgisi bo'lsa by law. Ya'ni qonun bo'yicha hech kim 19 yoshdan javob bera olmaydi, ovoz bera olmaydi saylovga. Testga o'taveramiz. I really like to eat sunflower seeds. To'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. Ikkinchisiniki C bo'ladi. The seeds of peaches are bigger than those found in many other fruits. Hop, uchinchisiniki ham C bo'ladi. How many programs are there surrounding the new program? To'rtinchisining javobi D bo'ladi. I had a lot of apprehension about my final exams. Beshinchisining javobi A bo'ladi. The political controversy causes the president to lose the election. Oltinchisining javobi B bo'ladi. Is there a cure for the disease? Yettinchisining javobi D bo'ladi. The reports mention a new product. Sakkizinchi javobi A bo'ladi. An essential thing to do in learning a language is to practice often. To'qqizinchi javobi B bo'ladi. The fruit was imported from Thailand. Chunki bu passive voice gap bo'ladi. Va 10-sining javobi ham B bo'ladi. The conquered Aztec nation had to give a lot of gold to Spain. Ya'ni bosib olingan Aztec millati yoki qabilasi oltinini Ispaniyaga berishi kerak edi deyapti.